Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to learn how to set up the Arduino IDE. The Arduino IDE is a very simple coding tool made from Arduino so you can upload code to it. Now there's three main types of Arduinos. The Arduino Uno, the Arduino Nano, and the Arduino Mega. I should have said Nano after. So today we're going to learn how to set up the Arduino IDE and install it too. So you can use any other Arduino board too, but the main one that we're going to be teaching is Arduino Uno. Every now and then we might teach an Arduino Mega or so, but that's pretty rare. So let's get right into it. One last thing before we start. You will need your parents for this, first of all. And second of all, if you're a kid in my Kids Plus or Kids Pro subscription, you won't really have to write the code unless you want to. But if you don't know how to write on a computer, then, well, just let me do it. Or you can go to ardublocky.com, or is it ardublocky.cc, and there you will be able to write code with blocks. It's like Scratch, if you know what that is. If you don't, you can just go look it up, or even Blockly, which is made by Google. So I guess that's why it's called Ardublocky, because Ardu for Arduino, and then Blockly from the Google Blockly. Well, let's just get right into it. Now, step one is you're going to go to leonardonparter.wixsite.com/codewithmarley/install. It's long, so I have a button in the description, a link in the description, and a button on my website. So once you go there, and there we are. So once you're there, you're going to press on install now. And since you have the downloads options, which is here, you can have Windows, the different kinds of Linux in case you have that, and macOS X 10.10 or newer. It also works for macOS. I'm going to install that one because I have a Mac. Press on allow, and it'll take a little while, even though this one doesn't take that long. Decompressing the zip file. It goes to different processes, and there you go. Now you can open that up. From there, allow it to open because, well, it'll probably ask you. And there we go. You got the Arduino open. Now I know that was a short lesson, but, well, it is also very easy to install it. So, see you guys next time. Bye.